What's really good, people? Welcome back to this back at me. Where you been? I got this 2012 BMW X5. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change. So stay tuned. All right. This baby has 80,000 miles. All right. You know how to open the hood. Latches over here. How you open the hood is right under the steering wheel. Engine oil cap. I have to remove this baby over here. Like so. Here's the oil filter. Probably. Oh, okay. Pull this one up. And this one. All right. This one's gonna use a 32 socket. You know how it goes. And you know what? I'm not gonna pull it out all the way though. I'm gonna remove it all the way, but I'm gonna leave it sitting there. You know what I'm saying? So the oil dripping there. Guess there's a lot of oil in there. All right, believe it or not. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna drain the oil now. Let's go. Down here where everything's beautiful, 17 millimeter. Counterclockwise. You don't need to remove a cover, nothing. It's right there. You see about. Look at this. What's the thing about that oil? I think this is diesel though. I don't know, but check that oil. Smell like diesel to me. What you think about that? Let me know. Put in the comment box, alright? I put the drain plug back and let's pour the new oil and change the oil filter. I'm gonna remove this guy now. And that way I don't drip all over the engine. This is diesel. I wanna say this is diesel. This will get your oil filter in like that. And it smells like diesel too. Alright. This one has an oil ring over there, oil ring over here, oil ring over here. Just pull up the oil filter. Alright. Grab the filter, put it back, tighten it. Over here on top is gonna tell you it says 25 Newton meter. That's what we're gonna do. Let's try the Newton meter. Have it all set, 25 Newton meter. Let's see. There you go, 25.75 Newton meter. It was less than what I usually do with by hand, without the digital ratchet torque. There you go. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back, okay? It's easy. Now we're gonna pour the oil. According to M's oil, it's gonna take 7.7 quarts, okay? You're gonna pour the oil there. Put the oil cap back, that's it. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you real quick how to reset the oil life in this baby, alright? 2012 BMW X5 3.0 liter engine, alright? This is what you do. Car is shut down. You press this twice, but well, right now it's shut down. You press it twice. 1, 2. You see all the lights? Lights up. Alright, so after that, you press this guy right here. There's a pin. Press it and hold it. You're gonna see a message here. Right there. Press it. Let it go. Press it again. Press it again. There you go. Now press it and hold it. The pin. If you don't touch the pin for a second, it's gonna go back to the menu. So just do the same. Press it and hold it. It's gonna take you there. Now press it. Now there, press it and hold it. It's gonna ask you reset, then let it go, then press it again. That's how you reset in this baby. Alright. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box. Thank you for watching. You know it's me, Stu Burum. Thank you for the support. Love you. No Diddy. Catch me in the next one. Audi. Yeah.